The India bloc is considering something quite unprecedented, moving an impeachment motion against Chief Election Commissioner Ganesh Kumar, sources told Hindu. The decision was made at a meeting of India bloc floor leaders on the 18th of August. Before Kumar took over as the Chief Election Commissioner of India in Feb this year, he worked in the Union Home Ministry. He headed the Jammu and Kashmir desk there. He oversaw key policy changes in Jammu and Kashmir post Article 370 and also helped draft the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill. So, what's causing the rift? Why does the opposition want to remove him now? Well, the flashpoint is a special intensive revision of electoral rules in Bihar. Bihar is going to go to polls later this year, and the EC started this process, the SIR process in the state, in June this year. The EC started the process to ensure, quote, no eligible citizen is left out while no ineligible person is included in the electoral roll, unquote. It is important to know that the process was conducted last in 2003. From the 25th of June this year to the 26th of July, booth-level officers carried out house-to-house visits and distributed pre-printed enumeration forms. Voters who are not included in the 2003 electoral rolls needed to submit documents providing the date and place of their birth and that of their parents. Soon it became quite clear that many voters did not have these necessary documents. On the 6th of July, the EC asked people to submit their forms before 26th July, even if they did not have all the corresponding documents. All those who submitted their forms were included in the draft roll published on the 1st of August. But the names of 65 lakh voters were excluded. The final list will be out on the 30th of September. But the opposition is up in arms about this exercise. They say that eligible voters will be left out because they do not have the required documents. They protested both inside and outside the parliament for days. Senior Congress leader and the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, also started a 16-day-long voter Adhikar Yatra on the 17th of August. The Congress has also accused the Election Commission in working in favor of the ruling party. So, coming to the matter at hand, how can a Chief Election Commissioner be removed? Well, according to the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, Appointment, Conditions of Service and Terms of Office Act of 2023, the CEC can be removed in the same manner and on the same ground as a Supreme Court judge. This means that the Parliament has the power to remove the CEC. It takes two-thirds majority in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha to pass this motion. To initiate the proceedings, the India bloc would need the support of at least 100 members in the Lok Sabha or at least 50 members in the Rajya Sabha. The bloc does not have the numbers to get this motion passed right now. But as one senior opposition leader told the Hindu, the move is more about registering the protest about the CEC's conduct than expecting it to pass. Thank you for watching this video, and for more such videos, subscribe to the Hindu.